The. The. The room is hot. The room is hot. Of. Of. I am proud of my son. I am proud of my son. And. And. He can read and write. He can read and write. To. To. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. In. In. They are in class. They are in class. That. That. I want that bag. I want that bag. Is. Is. This is my car. This is my car. It. It. May I put it here? May I put it here? Was. Was. The area was quiet. The area was quiet. For. For. This room is for rent. This room is for rent. On. On. What is on the desk? What is on the desk? Be. Be. He must be innocent. He must be innocent. With. With. I agree with you. I agree with you. He. He. He came by bus. He came by bus. As. As. Do as he tells you. Do as he tells you. By. By. Let's go by car. Let's go by car. You. You. Are you tired? Are you tired? At. At. Is he at home? Is he at home? Are. Are. Are you a student? Are you a student? This. This. This book is old. This book is old. Not. Not. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Have. Have. I have no friends. I have no friends. Had. Had. We had a little water. We had a little water. His. His. His eyes are blue. His eyes are blue. From. From. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? But. But. He tried hard but failed. He tried hard but failed. They. They. They can speak Spanish. They can speak Spanish. Which. Which. Which pen do you like? Which pen do you like? Or either Tom or I must go. Either Tom or I must go. An I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. Where all of us were silent. All of us were silent. Her I saw her home. I saw her home. C does he play piano? Does he play piano? We when can we eat? When can we eat? There we go there often. We go there often. Been they have been busy. They have been busy. There they will keep their promise. They will keep their promise. One I must buy one. I must buy one. Has she has blue eyes. She has blue eyes. Will it rain today? Will it rain today? Can you can study here. You can study here. All we were all tired. We were all tired. Do I will do my best. I will do my best. If you can go if you want to. You can go if you want to. More this soup needs more salt. This soup needs more salt. When will they arrive? When will they arrive? Who left the door open? Who left the door open? What I know what to do. I know what to do. So few people think so. Few people think so. About don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.